Capital One Quicksilver app. The pros, the cons. If you want simple, no-fuss cashback, the Capital One Quicksilver card might be exactly what you're looking for. But how good is it really? Let's go over the pros and cons of a Capital One Quicksilver app. Starting with the pros, simplicity is the star here. You earn 5% cashback on every purchase, with no categories to track and no limits. That makes it one of the most beginner-friendly rewards cards out there. Another big plus is that there's no annual fee. You'll also enjoy a solid intro offer, a cash bonus after meeting the initial spending requirement, plus 0% on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. The card also includes handy travel and security perks, such as no foreign transaction fees, extended warranty protection, and fraud monitoring. It's accepted worldwide, which makes it great for everyday use and occasional travel. Now, for the cons. While 5% cashback is good, it's not the highest available. Some competitors offer up to 2%. Also, if you're looking for premium perks like airport lounges or high-end travel credits, this card does offer those. Another small drawback is that the best rewards come from responsible use. If you carry a balance, interest charges will quickly eat away your cashback earnings. So, is a Capital One Quicksilver worth it? Absolutely, for anyone who wants straightforward, dependable cashback without paying a fee. It's a great everyday card, especially for those new to building credit or managing rewards. The surprising truth? Sometimes the simplest cards bring the most consistent value, and the Quicksilver proves that you don't need to overthink cashback to win.